Let's get to know how you can download and install the Bilibili app on your phone. The first thing you're gonna do is go to Play Store and search for Bilibili. If you don't find Bilibili inside the Play Store, you're gonna go to browser. You're just gonna do a Google search for Bilibili APK Mirror, and you're gonna tap on the first link here, APK Mirror. This is one trusted source. Tap here, download Bilibili apps for Android. And don't confuse here, we are talking about the Bilibili new app. This one here, you can tap on this one. Scroll down. You're gonna come down here and come to variant. Tap on this APK 9.7.0. Scroll down. Tap on download APK, and it's gonna download the file. Download. Once the file gets downloaded, tap on open. And if you try to install here, it shows app not installed. So we're gonna go to Play Store and do some settings. Reach to Play Store, tap on a profile icon, scroll down, tap on Play Protect, tap on the settings icon on the top right side. And you're gonna disable this for a while. Pause, give your fingerprint, and both of these have been paused. Go back and try to install the file now. Let's go to downloads, install. Thus the app has been installed. We can just open. And yes, if you go to home screen, you have this app here installed. Now once you have installed the app, you can go back to Play Store and just enable these settings, Play Protect, enable this, and you can launch Bilibili. And then continue with sign up and login process. So that's how you can download and install the Bilibili app on your phone. Just give a thumbs up and make sure that you're subscribed to this channel.